So right here, what's missing? You're right, my food trailer. I sold my food trailer. Let's get in here and talk about why I sold it and what the plans are. Stick with me, I have a plan, and I think you'll like it.
Regulators, mount up.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, you've been following my YouTube for a while. You know I've been doing catering business, and I wanted to get into pop-ups and events, festivals and things like that. Bought a food trailer and then ordered this big bad boy right here from Lone Star Grills. And the plan was to put this on the back of that food trailer, that Porsche model food trailer that I bought. But as you can see, it's sitting out here, and been storing it in the shop. Things have changed. Let me show you what we're doing now. I think you saw in the intro that I sold that food trailer, but I told you to stick around with me. So let me show you what we're doing. I don't want you to think that giving up on festivals and events and things like that, or pop-ups. We still have the Raging Rooster. Probably won't ever get rid of that. I love that thing. But let me show you something. Uh-oh. Lewis, what did you do? Look at this bad boy. Now right now I have the awnings up. So you got your service window there, and then you have your porch back there. And what I'd like about this trailer is all this stuff closes up like that. And you saw that? You saw my Lone Star insulated large vertical smoker over there. Well, guess what? What do you think that is? This one already has one on it. And it's got a Camp Chef pellet smoker over there in the corner. Let's go on in here, take a closer look. Like I said, so you can't really, I don't know if you can tell, but on that side it also folds out, but I got it next to my neighbor's fence, so I didn't open it all the way. The back opens up here. What I'm going to do is, you see up on top of this smoker, I'm going to come up with a chimney that vents out the back and shoots it up. It's going to be portable, you know, it's going to be removable, so I can close that all up and have this thing completely secure, which is kind of cool. Let me show you that real quick. Back you out here a bit. So we'll open it back up here, but as you can see, let me drop this down. As you can see, it looks just like a cargo trailer now. So we'll get it back open up and go on inside it and show you why I went with this one rather than the one I had. So you see here, it's got a door. Let's get that closed up. It's got a fan over in this corner. It does have lights, but they didn't vent it out very well, so those light bulbs are pretty dirty, but they do work. Yeah, everything needs a good cleaning. Let's just say that. So over here, it's got a warming oven, proofing box, which is really nice. Yeah. See where I'm at here. So it's got 3 sinks back here, all enclosed cabinets. It's got a hand washing sink over here. It's got a little prep station here, and it's got all kinds of storage underneath. Has a little bit of a little what would you call it, college dorm style fridge over in that corner, and another prepping station, and then I don't know if you can see it, all these tubs, Cambros, everything. I bought everything the guy had. So he had a bunch of these Cambros. I bought those from him. Bought the trailer. A bunch of chafing dishes. A small little flat top over there. And a bunch of bins of just stuff that you would use during catering or events or whatever. Yeah, it's got a modern day air conditioner and heater. I probably won't ever use a heater. I'll probably just use, you know, that little portable heater since it used less watts or volts or whatever. But yeah, this is what we needed. So when I sat down and really evaluated what it is that I wanted out of our concession trailer, a couple things happened. So a friend told me about this trailer over by his house, and you know, the area we live is a pretty small area, and I wanted to more or less go check out if there was a new competitor coming into the valley here. So I went over there and rung their doorbell and met the guy and asked him if I could see his trailer, and he showed me this. And talking with him a little bit about it, he was planning on starting a catering business, but then other business opportunities came up, and he decided he wasn't going to do that. So then I asked him, "Oh, you ever considered selling it?" And he said, yeah, he's kicking around the idea about selling it. And I just kept that in the back of my mind. Then 3 months later, had to take the van in and get it repaired, and really started thinking about what we needed. And I needed, you know, for catering at a venue inside of a building or something, I need something that I could carry stuff in. Then I really sat back and looked at how long it's going to take to get that other trailer certified for Washington State. And I have another friend that does pizza events. He has a pizza truck, and to get it certified, I mean, he's going on 8 months, and it's ready to be inspected. It's just taken them that long to get around to it. And that's just the state. Then you got to go through the county. So I sat down and I thought about it, and I said, you know, when am I going to actually use fryers? I'm a barbecue guy. You know, I don't deep fry very much stuff. When am I going to use a flat top? Most of the stuff I do is smoked, and you know, they're nice to have, but is it really what I need? And the answer kept coming back in my head: no, I really don't need all those things. I can buy a countertop deep fryer. This came with a electric flat top sitting down on the floor right there, never been used. If I need a flat top, I got one. I've got the Blackstone, so you know, I'm covered with the flat tops. So what I wanted was prep area and a service window. And this here, and I love the idea of everything being able to close up, lock up, and I'll feel safe about it. It's lighter than that other trailer because I don't have to have all the ventilation, the fire suppression system, all that, which is great. And this is a little more newer, and it's just got so much prep area. It's unbelievable. And like I said, I bought everything he had. I got so much stuff from him that he was planning on using as catering. Now, he did do some charity cooks and things, and he did go hunting at a hunting camp. They took this out, and at fishing derbies they used it. So it does need a good cleaning, like those, you know, that large IVS. I've got new door and fire gaskets there to put on. But it needs a serious cleaning. That camp chef, super dirty. Need to clean it. And then I want to, you know, properly vent out the smokestack on that Lone Star, so it's not just going inside there. That's why there was that fan in the corner. He was blowing it out. Not sure if I'll do that because I won't need it once I put my removable smokestack on it. But the number one reason we got this is because it's just a lot of prep area and we can start using it right away. The other one, you know, I had to have the propanes all inspected. I had to have the electrical all inspected. Had to have the water all inspected. These here, I'll probably have to have the water inspected and the electrical, but we can do that right here with the county rather than the state. Really all I needed was counter space, windows, and everything else. The other great thing about this is it's set up to, you know, for competitions. So when I go and do comps, bam, here we go. Throw a couple of Weber Smoky Mountains on the back, you know, there, but we can do all our prep work in here. It'll be very nice. So we are really, really excited and very happy with this purchase. I've been in contact with some graphics people so we can get the old graphics taken off and the new graphics put on. Kind of have a Photoshop of the service area graphic that we're going to put on, and I'll have that in this video. Let me know what you think of it. But the bottom line is simply this. I know it was a teaser. I sold this food trailer. I didn't want to mislead anybody, but hey, it got your attention. And we made a move, and I think it was the right move for us, for what we need. Like I said, I will still be running the Raging Rooster, the 500-gallon offset. That is such a crowd pleaser. Everybody loves that. I love it. But this here could quite possibly become our main event and festival and pop-up trailer, especially once I get that smokestack going. Yeah, we're pretty excited. I need to go through all this stuff, figure out what I got and where I can put it. Got two huge cutting boards. I love that. I've always had smaller ones, but these ones are huge, and I really like that. I've always meant to buy one. And I'm just looking around. There is just so much stuff in here. This here, I was actually looking at these, thinking about buying one. So it's so nice that it came with one. Came with that smoker, came with that camp chef, and I just, you know, I will say that the other trailer, I didn't lose money on it, and this one was a little bit cheaper, so pretty happy about that. Like I always say, thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends. You will see this very soon out on the road. Yeah, we're pretty excited about getting it out there. Grill on.